In this video, we'll be looking at making a payment within Ramp and seeing it sync over to Sage 300 via the Anyware Apps integration. So we'll start with going to Bill Pay within the Ramp interface. We're going to go to the bills that have been marked as ready for payment. Here we see a $75 bill with the vendor being Ramp Test Vendor. So we're going to look for the transaction that matches with that. For this example, we're just going to grab one of the test credit card transactions. Here we are. We'll grab this that matches the bill and we'll mark it as paid within Ramp. After it's been marked as paid within Ramp, we're going to go to the Sage 300 interface. And here is where the Anywhere Apps connector will have done its magic. Now this will normally be set up on a scheduled frequency that you can choose. But for now, let's look and see that payment coming across. So if we go to Payment Batch List, in here we can see the Ramp payment that we just made for $75. If we open it up, here we can see that it's for the Ramp Test Vendor. Thank you so much.